Okay, today is laundry day. Yes, so this is me getting my cart out the car for laundry day. Y'all, it is hot as hell today. So I come here because I can charge my power box and, get change if I need it out the little machine right there. I can charge my laptop, my tablet, my phone. This is my cart. I got everything loaded on here. And yes, I do sit my fat ass down while I'm putting my clothes in the washer. Why should I stand up and be inconvenienced when they got chairs? I like for things to be easy. So I got my little laundry liquid and a lot of stuff I'm not going to show y'all because you know how to wash clothes. I'm just showing the gist of it. So the clothes are dry right here and I'm just going to be folding them up and putting them in my little duffel bag there that you see on the table. I like to roll up my clothes because it takes up less space when you roll them up and I can get more clothes in the bag. Y'all, this little hat that I had on, oh my God, it got on my nerves. It's too little. I got it from Temu, but anyway, that's another story. So yeah, I'm so glad that I'm almost done with these groceries. Oh my God, laundry. You see how tired I am? I'm calling it groceries. And okay, so we're done washing clothes. I got everything loaded back in. That's my empty spot where my laundry bag gets full. That's the space. Now I gotta put my cart back in here. One and done. Y'all, so I have got done with my laundry and I have went and showered and wrapped my hair up. I want to give my opinion of some of the, well, one of the downfalls of trying to get a chore done and trying to put out content on the YouTube. I feel like nobody talks about this, but I'm going to talk about it on my page because I feel like it's important. And my whole journey with my page is documenting my car life journey, regardless of what that is. But let me just tell y'all something. Trying to do my laundry and trying to get footage is a damn workout. I'm not even lying. I am so tired. I am frustrated. I just want to say to hell with everything. I'm one of them that I don't have no camera crew. I don't have no kids that can help video. I don't have no husband that can help get footage while I do the clothes. It's me doing everything. So I'm a one-man show. And so y'all know sometimes when you a one-man show, it can get the best of you sometimes. And I just wanted to put this in the video. This will be the last laundry day video that y'all get from me. Some of the footage I couldn't even get because it was people in the laundromat. I felt like a damn fool with a tripod and a camera recording myself. You know, you got people looking around like, what is she doing recording in here? Who is she recording? I hope she don't get me on the camera. You know, you got to deal with all of that shit. And so I got what I could. I'm putting it out there. I'm putting it on my page what I got. And it's a part of my experience. I haven't been to a laundromat before I moved into my car. I hadn't been to a laundromat in over 27, 25 years because I've always had a washer and dryer. So me going to a laundromat now is a big deal, even though I love it and I really like it. It's like a field trip. But today was my first day trying to do a recording for the channel. So I'm glad I'm done. I just need time to chill out. Yeah, but I think I just need a nap because when I get frustrated, I need to regroup. So I hope y'all have a good day. Stay safe and see y'all in the next video. If you do like this kind of content, please help by giving me a thumbs up Actually, the shit that I went through today, for y'all to see my laundry day, I need thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I would love you for life. And bye, you all.